Make the pani puri water in a jar. Add half a cup of chopped mint leaves and 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 1 inch of ginger, 2 to 3 green chillis, 1 tablespoon of tamarind. Then add 4 tablespoons of grated or powdered jaggery, followed by 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. At last, we will pour in 1/3 cup of water and blend these ingredients to a smooth paste. The consistency will be thick. After grinding, you can add water as per your desired consistency. Keep this aside. Now we will move on to make the filling. In a bowl, add 2 potatoes that are boiled and mashed. I have used 2 medium-sized potatoes. Then add in 3/4 cup of black chana or chickpeas, 3/4 cup of roughly chopped onions. Next, we will add half a teaspoon of each of these spices: cumin powder, garam masala, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and chaat masala. Then, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Finally, we will add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and mix all of these ingredients well. It is believed that Pani Puri originated in Uttar Pradesh and gradually spread in popularity throughout the country and outside of it. Today, Pani Puri stalls are a staple at most fairs, festivals or weddings in India. It is a famous street food chaat as well. Next step in the recipe is to poke a hole on the surface of the puris and stuff the puri with the fillings that we prepared. The fillings can differ. You can even add sprouts or peas into it. After you add the fillings, add some curd on top, followed by save. Repeat the process for all the puris. Then enjoy the puri by dunking it in the pani or water, or by pouring some pani into the puri. You can now pop the whole package into your mouth and enjoy the explosion of flavors.